that Paris Hilton? What's inside? Oh my God. They sent me a tiny microphone. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Hi, it's me. I'm just the worst influencer ever. I mean, can you believe all of this stuff? We're going to be unboxing all of this PR today. Like, where have I been storing all of these boxes? It's unbelievable. Here, maybe let's just move everything onto the floor. First thing is this box from Lancome, like in a little shopping bag. Ah! Oh my God, it's so cute. What's inside? We have, ooh, what are these? Lip oils. Ooh, this looks nice. I love Lancome's lip products, so very excited to try those. I am obsessed. Okay, next we have a Prada bag. So cool. Have these banana gummies. Can't wait to try those. Ooh, it's their Prada lip balm in banana. Oh, so cute. Ah, I'm obsessed. This is like the fanciest lip balm I've ever seen in my life. Ooh, it smells like bananas, but like in a good way. Should I use it? I'm like scared to use it. It's like too nice. Ooh. Next up, we got Paula's Choice. I love Paula's Choice Glow on the Go. Ah, these are so cute. They're the 2% Paula's Choice. Is this a wipe? Wow. I'm really excited for this. By Miu Miu. It's their new scent. And it has a lock on it. They did send me the password, which, where's that little paper? Okay, I found the paper that was on the inside. Imagine that I lost it and I didn't know how to open it. All right, first let's smell the perfume. Oh, this smells so lovely. Wild strawberry, gardenia, and brown sugar. Yes, totally. All right, we got another box from Lancome. Is that Paris Hilton? Wow, okay. Remember Juicy Tubes? I mean, if you were like a cool girl back in the early 2000s, like you used Juicy Tube, and I can't believe I own a poster of Paris Hilton. Like, that is just unbelievable. Oh my God. I mean, if I am not the coolest girl ever, like, I don't. Oh my God. Literally 12-year-old me. She's screaming right now. Like, this is the coolest thing. Paris Hilton, man. Who would have thought? Ah! We got It Cosmetics. I love It Cosmetics. Makeup brush. Confidence in a Cream. It's a moisturizer. And a sun blush in, like, as if I need any more blush, but I do really like this formula. They're very pigmented. A couple of things from L'Oreal. New day cream. It's an SPF, which we love that. It's also like an all-in-one like anti-aging type cream. This one is a brightening eye serum and this one is a plumping serum. And all of these items are new within like the last couple of months. Ooh, a faux brow. Is this a brow pencil? Wow, this is a brow marker. I am excited to use this. Ooh, their Lumi line. I used to love this stuff. If you scroll back on my old Beauty by Alice videos, you will find me using the Lumi stuff. It is still, ooh, is this, ooh, this is different. I really like balmy sticks like this. Ooh, a blush. Pretty. This was viral online for a little bit. It's the Infallible Setting Mist. It's like a hairspray aerosol. Got another fragrance. I've never tried a perfume from this brand before. I'm actually very picky with perfumes. So this is called Afternoon Delight, Paris 1996. And it's just like the most expensive, fanciest vanilla scent ever. Oh, so amazing. I'm definitely going to be wearing this. So we got some Too Faced, bringing it back to our roots. They reformulated Born This Way. I used to love the original formula back in the day. I would like to try this. However, this shade She's a little dark for me. So, oh, it says right here, if you didn't get your perfect match, let us know and we'll send you your new shade. All right, so this is not me letting them know. I'm going to let them know in a better way. I'll send them an email because your girl is not sand. I'm more like fair light, probably. Moving on, we got another Lancome package. This feels really heavy. Oh, what is this? Is this a little box? It has a passport. Learn French with Lancome. Bon voyage. Tu es belle. Have a good trip and you are beautiful. That's so nice. I have used this before and I love it. I also am obsessed with the stick version of that. It's very, very nice. And then this, I have never tried this. It's really expensive and I am excited to add this into my routine as like a little something extra and fancy, you know? Okay, moving on. We got another Paula's Choice package. This is their new peptide power player. Ooh. Wow. You open it like this first and then boom. So they have 3 new products. One is, my cat is like attacking me. Can you not? Okay, so have a eye serum, lip treatment, and I actually have used this before. Their peptide cream, and it's very, very nice. I'm excited to try this lip balm though. You know I love me a good lip balm. So next up, we got a package from Lancome. It's their UV Expert sunscreen. You know I love me a good sunscreen. And they sent this really pretty scarf with this little holder for it. So adorable. I'm excited to try that sunscreen. It has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in there. I really just been neglecting Lancome. So I actually already took this out. It was a purple silk pillowcase, and I won't even lie, I already used it. Is their triple serum retinol. I heard that this was really good and aggressive, and you know me, and I love my aggressive skincare. Thank you to all of the brands that sent me all of these really nice things. I appreciate it. Unboxing is so fun. That's why it takes me so long to unbox things, because I want to like delay the enjoyment. And it's so nice to do it all at once. So I hope that you guys like this video. I know it's going to be really long if you've stuck around for this long. I appreciate you.